Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to increase iPhone volume by 200%. All right, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the Settings app and scrolling down to Sounds and Haptics. From there, find the volume limit or similar option under built-in speaker settings, and make sure Limit Maximum Volume is turned off. This ensures your iPhone isn't artificially capping how loud it can get. Next, go back and tap on Headphone Safety. Here, turn off Reduce Loud Audio. While this feature is designed to protect your hearing, it can sometimes make your audio feel too quiet. After that, return to the main settings page and then open Accessibility. Scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual. Then select Headphone Accommodations. Turn this feature on, switch it to Vocal Range, and increase the intensity slider to Strong. This can enhance clarity and make audio sound louder and clearer, especially for voices. And that's it. So that's basically how you can increase iPhone volume by 200%. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.